Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Zooba. This is for iOS and Android, gives you unlimited stuff. So let me just open it up, and as you can see I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually enable unlimited gems, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Works on iOS and Android. You can also get VIP and all these other settings, which is really cool. So let me just enable unlimited gems and let's see if it goes up. So currently I got 460, and let's see what happens. So yeah, this is not increasing. So yeah, oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Zooba mod for your device. Works on iOS and Android, guys. So let's get into the tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So the first step is going to be going to the browser, go to tweakmod.com and type Zooba. And then you see Zooba mod, press install. Now before this downloads, there's going to be a verification you got to do where you just have to download like 2 apps and follow the instructions. They're 100% free apps from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up. All right, so let's check it out, guys. So as you can see, it is downloading right now. So we're just going to give it a second to go ahead and finish. And we're going to be all set, guys. So let's see what we get for our Zooba mod. So basically, we do have to download 2 of these apps. It does not have to be the same ones I'm doing, but as you can see, we got all these different games and stuff. So like Travel Town says reach level 9, so just press on it, press continue. It'll bring you the story down at reach level 9. Or you could do Merge Gardens, which is similar. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the Zooba mod for your device so you can get free gems. It's super insane, guys, so I'm going to see you later. But if you play Zooba, guys, you know that having gems is going to give you a huge advantage over other players. So that is why I made this video, because I wanted to share with you guys how to get this, and it is so cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've had no issues whatsoever. Just make sure you guys do the verification. Should be good to go. And yeah, it's super crazy, bro.